This is a budget drawing tablet that I got for less than 3,500 rupees or 40 US dollars. But can a cheap device like this create professional quality art? Let's find out. Inside the box, we get the tablet itself, the pen, connecting cables, a couple of extra nibs, and some usual paperwork. My first impressions are that it's lightweight, the pen is comfortable, and it feels surprisingly premium for the price. Now, compared to what I'm usually used to drawing on, which is the Wacom Intuos Pro at my desk, this is significantly smaller. Especially the drawing area, because the shortcut buttons take up a lot of space. But hey, let's test it out. Now, to use the drawing tablet like this one, you need to connect it to a device such as a laptop or a phone. The setup is pretty simple. Just install the drivers from the website, plug it in, and you're ready to go. But how does it actually feel to draw with? Okay, so here's what I noticed. The pen pressure works quite well for a budget tablet. The small size takes some getting used to, but it's totally usable. I got the hang of it after a few minutes of adjusting. And honestly, I forgot that I was using a budget tablet after some time. I was just focusing on making the artwork. I don't really use any express keys, so I preferred a slightly bigger drawing area instead. But I can definitely see phone users making use of the keys as shortcuts. So honestly, for this price, this is way better than I expected. Now, as a bonus, let me give you guys a quick tutorial of the artwork I created with it. So let's start by adding in some blocks. Then draw some vertical lines, after which you can use a texture brush as an eraser to turn them into detailed windows. Repeat the process and add lights everywhere. You can also add in signboards by typing in some text or anything that you prefer. Add a railing up in front. Next, have fun and sketch in your character. Add some more people at the back too, then add dots all over the screen, and finally add some motion blur downwards to make it rain. And we are done. This was actually a lot more fun for me to use than I had expected, and the truth is, your tools don't matter, expensive gear won't really make you any better, it's only practice that will. So if you're just starting out, don't stress about having the best tablet, just start creating.